Do you think Paolo Avellino will wear tonight?
Will wear, wi- Paolo will wear his greatest smile. Smile lang pala yung sinuot. After nito, maghahalo-halo na ako.
Do you think Paolo Avellino will wear tonight?
Will wear, Paolo will wear his greatest smile. Smile lang pala yung sinuot. After nito, maghahalo-halo na ako. Hi Metro, this is Kim. Here's my exclusive look on how I prepare for the ABS-CBN Ball 2025. Parang first time nagkaroon ng spring formal sa ABS-CBN Ball. So it's something different. So inisip ko kung magko-colorful kami or we're gonna take it into parang garden look. Pero at the same time, ano siya ABS-CBN Ball. So it's something about elegance, about simplicity, about ball. So my team, my stylist Adrian Concepcion and I, parang nag-usap kami na parang elegant pa rin. Pero at the same time, nandun pa rin yung spring. So, touch lang ng spring yung in-apply namin sa gown. Sophisticated, elegance, and skin. Accessories, it's also my parang rare moment lang that they see me wearing a red lipstick. So, this is something different for me to walk sa red carpet for the ball. Ano lang, less carbs and less sweets kasi kita yung sides. Kasi pag kumakain ka ng sweets, napupunta siya sa love handles. So, hindi mo na ako nag-sweets for 1 week, 2 weeks. It's, Jordan. Yes, Jordan. Kasi parang yun yung nasa feed ko ngayon eh. Yung mga stones ng Jordan, yung mga view ng Jordan, yung mga roses ng Jordan. Yung parang ganun yung vibe niya. Ganda. Favorite flower ko talaga is peony. Yes, the pink peony. I just want to enjoy the red carpet moment and the photos here and there and just enjoy the night kasi this is like a celebration of all the stars of ABS-CBN. We're very happy by the overwhelming support of the people, not just here in the Philippines, but also abroad. Parang iba talaga yung dinala nilang support na nababasa namin online. And lahat ng ratings are over the board. So parang lahat ng comments nila. So parang it's rewarding na makabasa ng mga ganon. Most especially, ngayon nalaman namin mga seniors nanonood ng movie namin. Parang may mga comment din na hindi talaga sila lumalabas ng bahay ngayon lang. So parang nakakatuwa that this became a family celebration or a family bonding. So parang bumabalik na talaga ang mga tao sa sinihan. And with the rom-com genre na talagang hindi na after pandemic, medyo hindi talaga siya pinapasok sa sinihan. So, now, we're really celebrating rom-com is back in the cinemas.